Okay, so first, I'm gonna...
I want a proctologist standing by. You heard me. Best one you can find.
I looked at Evening Star. Can you tell me what happened here?
No, and you can close me.
Well, it looks like some sort of mob tactic.
Squat down.
You betcha.
And then jump. Squat, jump.
Yeah,
Squat,
my daddy owns a bank.
squat,
And I
jump.
can little creep too.
Squat, jump.
You think she'll ever come back, Jeff?
Jump.
Man, wait.
One,
Stand up. A girl like that is always looking for BBD. Bigger, better deal. You don't know that, Jeff. She's an artist. She's...
One, two.
She's
One,
sensitive.
two.
Stanley, forget it. That girl will tear out your heart, put it in a blender, and hit trap hand. You don't get down.
So next,
She's already taken.
this is what I do.
Well, there, may I be of some assistance?
Stanley,
I put my leg back, get my balance, and then
Hi.
this
I'm
helps me
Peggy
keep my
Brandt.
balance.
Oh,
Then just
hi.
push up.
Look,
Push.
I canceled my subscription because they kept stealing my
Do
payment.
all these till failure. Push up. Push up. Let it out. Push
The
up.
auto finish. You're a customer of theirs, aren't you?
Push it up. I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do this, but I feel this in my upper back and then my left, like side bottom cheek.
Oh, bad card.
This really gets my heart rate going.
So coming back to me.
I feel it right here, like crazy.
Peggy Brandt.
I don't even count them, I just do them until failure.
Oh, that's Peggy?
So again,
Yeah, that's right.
You printed one of my letters last year.
you just,
Nice guys finish last.
You're Mr. Nice Guy?
Yes.
Oh, Stanley.
so stand together,
Realize how much mail
put
we
your
got
foot
about
back,
that letter? I mean, there are literally hundreds
make sure you
of
have your
thousands
balance.
for a guy just
Lean
like
forward, and just push up, push up,
you. Yeah.
push up. Holding your balance is giving us, working on your strength.
Some kind of wood.
Also, you're just working out, I don't know what this muscle is called, but,
So,
and
why are you covering this?
your upper back.
Because, dear Peggy,
You're working that out.
I'm starving to death. I'm looking to become
Push,
a real reporter.
push.
Look, Stanley.
And if you feel like you can't no more, do 2 more.
I won't let you.
Ah,
I just want the truth.
I'll do this in real time. I won't fast forward them so you guys can see
I really do.
exactly how fast or slow I'm doing them.
Bill,
I should probably turn down the TV,
this is my number.
so I don't have to do it voice over.
You know, personal.
I'm watching The Mask again. It's in there, I just push play. I fucking love this movie, I don't know why. It's so relaxing. Alright, now I'm just gonna do squats. And I'll tell you guys where I feel that at. So go down. And don't go all the way up, just I'll spread out more. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again, I feel this in my, I feel this in the middle of my back. I also feel it on my outer cheeks. And I feel it right here. It's probably because I already activated them doing that other exercise. Again, another set. Second set. I don't even know how many they are, but just do until failure sets. So just push up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh. Now we'll do the jumping lunges. So right leg forward, left leg back, and just hop and cross them. I don't know. There's probably a real name for this, but I don't know it. Let me know if you guys know this real name. I like to call them grasshoppers. Catch my breath and go. I don't know how many that was. Just go until failure. Actually, I don't even like to count because I feel like I get like discouraged if I count. I don't know if everybody else is like that, but okay. Other side. I already did that side. Oh. Catch my breath. And then punch it. Right, ready? That's too far forward. Ready and go. Oh. I don't know if anybody else's back hurts, but my lower back hurts. I just hang on that thing every day as many times as I can, and that's helped my back a lot. On no equipment, so I'm just gonna do back lunges or curtsies. Until failure. And I'll turn the other way so you guys can see how I do it. But I just put my foot back and bend this knee. My whole body just goes down, down and up, down and up. I feel this in my upper hips. And my lower thighs. And this is just how I do them, guys. This is what works for me. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, but these are the exercises that are working for me. So I hope they work for you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Just once a day, every day. Get your heart pumping so you can stay healthy, live a good life. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. I'm probably gonna go have water after this. Okay. I ran out of chia seeds. And I bought these other chia seeds, like another brand. Because there was like a lot more for less money. It was like a big old container for 10 bucks. But then I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to fish or something, because those started making like my tonsils hurt and blah blah blah. But so I'm gonna go back and get the other ones that are in like the health area. So anyways, I had to throw those out because they're making me feel like butt. But yeah, I gotta go get some and more water bottles, because usually after workouts I have chia seed water bottles, and it's just like fulfilling, and I don't know, just feels good. Cheers. Water. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm either gonna have to do a voiceover for this, or Hopefully I can just leave in what I was talking about, but I know I was crazy out of breath. I was like, and you do this. But yeah, guys, that was just 10 minutes of just kicking butt. And that's what I've been doing every day, except for yesterday. And then when Babe gets here, I'll probably try to film that too. I will film it for you guys. He's been squatting me. I just get on his back and he squats me. I weigh 158. I rounded up to 160. I probably weigh 160 again. I don't get out of there. I'm like 158, 160. And Babe weighs 190, 192. So I can't squat all his weight. But he like puts, I think it's half of his weight. So, and I do feel like my butt sore the next day. And it's lifting. Because it was looking, my butt was looking like a diaper, you guys. No lie. I didn't even realize it. Till one day I just looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god. It looks like a baby's diaper. Like I was wearing a baby's diaper. And it had like, you know, it was bad. But things are looking up. Alright guys. I've been talking way too much. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Oh yeah, I have to tell you guys one more thing. So I've had for breakfast, I've had so far, what time is it right now? I think it's like 2 o'clock. It's 2:22. I woke up this morning. I had made my smoothie. So I had my smoothie first. Spinach, protein, ice, water, 8 ounces. And then I had my coffee after that. I was having coffee and then my protein. But I don't know. It just, I feel like it made my, I don't know if it's in my head, but I feel like it made my blood sugar go up and I felt like butt. So anyways, if you guys can, try to eat something first. Make your protein. Okay, no. First, let me tell you, I forgot. Cup of water in the morning. That's what I do. Cup of water, cold water, whatever. Just some water in the morning before you eat anything at all. Then your protein with spinach. Get your greens in. That helps you, like with everything. Go potty, everything. It gives you energy. The protein gives you energy for the day. And then have your coffee, your pre-workout, whatever you like to have in the morning to get you going. And yeah, that's all I've had. No, Babe brought fries, so don't do that. Babe brought me fries and I had fries. Uh-oh. Oh well, keeping it real. But that's what I've had, and I had some vitamin C also. Alright guys. That's it. That's all I've had. I'll probably have lunch in a little bit. Maybe chicken. We had some like a cooked chicken, and that's lasted us for like 2 days already. But we'll see. Okay. Bye.